With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is evaluate integration sine 5x into cos x into dx is. Okay, so I have to integrate it. We don't know any direct formula for this for integrating this function. Okay, so I have to convert it into standard form. For converting it into standard form, I have to first multiply by 2 in this function and divide by 2. So I write here 1 by 2 and multiply it by 2. So 2 into sine 5x into cos x into dx. Okay, so I can write here it in bracket. So I can write it as 1 by 2 into, so here it is 2 into sine a into cos b. So if I have 2 into sine a into cos b, then I can write it as sine a plus b, okay, plus sine a minus b, okay, sine a minus b. Okay, so from here I can write, by using this formula, I can write it as sine 5x plus x plus sine 5x minus x. Okay, here it is integration, so I write here integration and here it is dx. Okay, so by solving it more I can write 1 by 2 and I have to open it, so I write here integration of sine 6x, 5x plus x is 6x, so I write here 6x into dx plus integration of sine 5x minus x is 4x, so I can write here 4x into dx. Okay, so I have to integrate it. Okay, so I have to integrate it, so I can write it as 1 by 2 integration of sine 6x into dx plus 1 by 2 integration of sine 4x into dx. Okay, so that integration of sine 6x. Okay, we know that integration of sine x into dx is minus cos x plus c. Okay, because this is indefinite integration, that's why I have to add some constant, that is c. So the integration of this sine 6x, so 1 by 2. Okay, and the integration of sine x is minus cos x. Okay, similarly the integration of sine 6x. Okay, so integration of sine 6x is minus cos, on the place of x there is 6x, so I can write here 6x. Okay, and then I simply divide it by this coefficient of x. Okay, that is 6 here, so I divide it by 6. Okay, similarly the integration of this is 1 by 2 into minus cos 4x. Okay, here x is 4x. By comparing this form, okay, by comparing this form, and I have to divide it by coefficient of x, that is 4. Okay, plus c. So by simplifying it more, I can write 1 by 12 minus 1 by 12, here it is minus, into cos 6x minus 1 by 8 cos 4x plus c. This is answer of given question. Okay, so thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.